Happy New Year, guys, and welcome back to my channel. One of my goals for the year 2025 is to develop or have a consistent hair regimen, okay, and just make sure I'm taking care of my hair properly. So I'm going to be starting off this new year by doing a clear mask reset, okay, or hair detox, okay. And this is the clay I'm going to be using. This is Kaolin Clay. Okay, this is the local ones, and this is sold for 200 naira and 100 naira each. Okay, and if you're wondering where you're going to get this clay from and you're in Nigeria, check out the local shops where they sell shea butter, the local herbs and spices. They usually have this, and they actually different types of clay. Just make sure you pick this one. There's a different type that I've tried that one and it was really bad on my hair, so I wouldn't advise you to get that. I'll attach a picture of that particular one on the screen so you do not make the mistake of purchasing it. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to take you guys along the process of this whole hair reset and prepping the cowling clay. Okay, and while doing that, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of this clay mask reset. Okay, with that being said, let's quickly get into the video.
So I'm starting off by pounding the clay using this wooden mortar. You also have the option of blending it using your dry mill, the dry mill of your blender. I've also tried that and it works fine. Okay, so once I'm done pounding, or once I get a powder like this, then I am done pounding. Okay, once I'm done with the pounding, I'm going to transfer the clay into my mixing bowl, and I'm using a plastic or rubber spoon and plate for this process. So please make sure that no metal utensils it comes in contact with this clay, otherwise it is going to react with the clay and just make it ineffective. Okay, so make sure you're either using plastic utensils or wooden utensils for the prepping of this clay. What I'm doing right now is adding warm water bit by bit to the clay so I could form a paste. Okay, and once I get a consistency like this, I am done with the mixing process. Okay, I didn't travel with my spray bottle, so I've improvising using this container. So I'm spraying warm water on my hair. I'm trying to get it really damp before I start the application of this clay. Okay, once my hair is wet, I start sectioning it because it's very important for me to work in small sections so that this clay mask gets to every single strand of my hair. Okay, so once I'm done separating the section I want to work with, I run my hands through it trying to get rid of any tangles, and I'm doing this on the tangled hair. Okay, so I just start the application from my scalp and work my way down to the length of my hair and then to the ends of my hair. Okay, I'm very generous with the clay. I just make sure it gets to every single strand of my hair. This clay is popularly known as calabash chalk here in Nigeria. The Igbos call it nzu, the Edos call it ohwe, and the Yorubas call it ifon. Okay, these names might come handy when you're searching for the clay in your local market. Okay, I take my time to massage the clay into my scalp and hair. Okay, making sure everywhere is thoroughly coated, and you guys take a look at how this clay defines and stretches my hair. Okay, just look at the curls that are popping. Once I'm done massaging and making sure the clay gets to every single strand in this section, I go ahead to kind of tuck it into a bantu knot. Okay, and just secure it with my claw clip. And you guys, I did one more section and this is what it looks like. Once I'm done with this section, I proceed to separate another section, and I had to go in with my warm water at this point because my hair felt a little bit dry. Okay, so make sure you have your warm water close so you could spray it as needed. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits of this clay mask detox for your natural hair. First off, it cleanses and clarifies your hair and scalp without stripping the hair of moisture. it also conditions your hair and reduces frizz, and it also gets rid of dandruff. Okay, so if you struggle with dandruff, try incorporating a clay mask detox in your hair routine, and you're going to notice a difference. It also helps to reduce tangles and knots, as you can see. Okay, personally, I try to do a clay mask detox once every 2 or 3 months, because this is really a messy process. If not, I would have loved to be doing it once a month. Anyways, I went ahead to do most of the application of camera, and this is the section I have remaining. As you can see, I'm going in with warm water at every single point, whether it is before the application or after the application of the clay to my hair. Because I first off, you're not supposed to apply this clay to dry hair, so make sure you're applying this to damp hair for you to get the benefits of this clay detox. And secondly, do not let this clay dry out on your hair. If not, it's going to be very difficult for you to wash it out. Okay, once I was done applying the clay marks to my hair, I went ahead to rub the excess on my face. And you guys, clay marks has a lot of amazing benefits, not just for your hair but also for your skin. Okay, so anyways, once I was done, I went in with warm water once again to spray it. As I said, you do not want this to dry out on your hair. Once I was done with spraying the water, I tucked my hair into a plastic bag and a shower cap. Okay, and I had to wait for 30 minutes, and this is after 30 minutes. I've heard some people say that they find it really difficult to wash their hair after a clay mask detox. And to be honest, I've never found washing my hair after a clay mask detox to be difficult. I know it is a really, really messy process, and it takes a lot of time and water, okay, to get the clay out of your head, but it's not really difficult per se. Okay, if you find it really difficult to get the clay out of your hair, first off, check the kind of clay you are using for the clay mask detox. Some certain type of clays are not meant to be applied to your hair. Okay, and then also, if you find it really difficult, okay, try out a mermaid bath like I'm doing in the video first before you hop into the shower, and just turn or twirl your hair inside the bath. Okay, and it is really, really going to help you get rid of most of the clay. Anyways, I did a mermaid bath because I just didn't want to mess up the bedroom and end up washing it after this entire process. So that was why I did that. But it's going to really be helpful to you if you find it really difficult to get rid of your clay marks or any other hair marks you try out. Okay, if you paid attention to the mermaid bath process, you'll notice that I was using the scalp massager to like scrub my scalp. I'm also doing that now in the shower. Okay, a clay mask detox can also help to exfoliate your scalp and just open up your pores, and this entire process is just going to make any product you're going to apply to your hair or your scalp to like penetrate and just work effectively. Anyways, once I hopped into the shower, by the time I hopped into the shower from the mermaid bath, my hair was already somewhat clean. Okay, and then I just had to like stand under the shower for, let's say, 10 minutes or less. I don't know, like 10 minutes. I had to stand there and just run my hands through to make sure every single part of the clay gets out of my hair. And if you're someone that struggles with itchy scalp and hair, a clay mask detox is also going to help you so much. Okay, and you can add a bit of apple cider vinegar or white vinegar to the clay mask mixture, and this is really, really going to help your hair and help you get rid of the itchy scalp and hair. Anyways, this is what my hair looks like once I was done getting out the clay from my hair. Okay, and I decided to be extra and go in with a shampoo. And this is the first time ever I am going in with a shampoo after a clay mask. Okay, I always just do the clay mask and just go ahead to condition my hair afterwards. I just felt like being extra because I am trying to do a new year hair reset. So I just wanted to strip my hair off every single thing. Okay. And I low-key regretted this shampoo application because it just made my hair feel like really dry afterwards. Just know that a clay mask is more than enough to clarify your hair. Okay, you do not need to go in with any shampoo. I just decided to try it out this once. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.